Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Wellers channel. Today I'll show you how to get a community badge in Steam. You can get badges by going to your profile, clicking on badges, and there it'll tell you what you need to do to earn them. Let's go ahead and click on a specific badge. Here we go. And so here you need to complete some kind of action. For example, rate some content in your activity feed. Go here, select for example a post, and you need to like it. There you go. Now I go back to my profile, come back here, and after a little while it'll update, showing what we completed. There. Or for example, here's another one. There. There. And that's how you complete everything you need. See? It's done. You can also collect cards by playing games or buying them on the marketplace. That's all for now. This was Wellers. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.